Wallace. Over our unboxing.
Let's see it here, man.
Let's see what we got. Three boxes today.
What's in these magic boxes? Well, three nice size ones anyway.
The dreaded invoice.
Oh God. Throw that in the garbage, right? Ooh, look. Oh yeah. I should get some of that for winter is coming.
A little late.
But something to remember it by, right?
We have lots of coffee cups.
Geez, that one's nice. I like that one actually. Yeah. Winter is coming. Hear me roar. Well, something to remember it all by, right?
Should have just about 4 weeks ago. Well, the same. There's three different ones.
Yeah.
These are Kirby blind boxes.
Oh, okay. Okay, but not Jack Kirby. I seen that on the invoice, and it was like, oh yeah,
Gundam, of course.
Oh yeah, Gundam. For you Gundam fans out there.
Oh.
Woohoo! Hey. Oh wow, that's
part of the.
Oh yeah.
Statue set.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's part 2 or 3.
Sweet.
Soon to have our own show.
Oh wow, yeah. I seen the.
Edition.
Yeah, I seen the trailer for that. It looked pretty cool, actually. And that's it.
Just in time for the show to be over. More Games of Thrones.
Excellent. This is to
These are the
consolidate the memories, right?
semi-blind box ones.
Oh yeah, okay. With the
Some are blocked out, some are not.
yeah. There you go. Okay. Something to remember all those weeks of and years of watching, right?
And moving along. This should be all pops.
Okay. Yes, it is.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, they got it all. Oh my God.
Give me a sec.
Who packed this one? Right? Must be an Inspector 7. Jeez. Okay, here we go.
So we got Muhammad Ali.
Oh, yes. He's the greatest.
We got
Jimin.
Buddy from BTS.
Oh, whoever that is.
Super popular
Yeah.
J-rock band.
Yeah.
And we got Alex Trebek.
Oh, yeah. Good old Alex. See, James, the guy who was been winning.
And we got the Chase.
Woohoo. He came pretty close to losing last night, that James Holzhauser guy.
These are all the same.
Okay. You know, the guy who's he's close to 2 million now. He might even hit it there tonight, right?
Oh, wow.
The guy's like a machine. He's unreal. 25 days he's been on.
These are all.
Oh, Alex.
It's all Alex Trebek. There should be a second Chase.
Okay.
So.
Sweet. Okay.
That way it is.
Okay.
And finally, we got.
Oh, it's even more.
Paper.
Oh, okay.
Okay, from.
Look at this.
My Hero Academia.
Okay, Age of Heroes, though.
Okay.
Okay, whoever he is.
We got 2 of him.
Okay, just to be safe.
And
okay.
Same show, Shoto.
Okay.
Togo.
Him. Buddy.
And another Gundam.
Another Gundam.
Different from that one. Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Blade.
112 Collective.
They're great. They're really cool action figures. Those are, man.
And from Thor Ragnarok.
Oh yeah.
Thor.
Sweet. Okay.
Another Thor.
Another Thor. Just make
sure we got enough.
Yeah.
Or we got too many. And a mystery bag. We got.
Woohoo.
Oh, Hellboy.
Oh wow.
Animal pin set.
Sweet.
2 of those.
Sweet indeedy. Okay.
Yeah. And also from My Hero,
Okay, yeah.
Suki.
Yeah. And last but not least, one more here. My Hero Academia. Okay.
A big day for that show.
Okay, excellent. Oh, wow, what a pile. I'll say.
All right, see you for a pick of the week. So.
Okay, thanks.
All right.
See you, man.